Hello friends, it's me Yusuf again, and today I'm going to show you an unboxing of a Teakwood leather bag from Myntra. My father ordered this bag from Myntra because we are traveling back to Saudi Arabia. Let me show you on the inside and how much space it has. Guys, this is how it looks from the inside. And let's see if I can fit inside of it. I can. So guys, as you can see, there's a lot of space. And now, me and my father will do the packing. Because after 2 days, we are traveling back to Jeddah. And then after 2 days, we will see that if it was durable for the travel, and we'll make another video. So guys, stay tuned and like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.
Hello friends. Previously in the video, as we told that we'll be traveling to Saudi Arabia, Jeddah very soon. And yesterday night we came back to Jeddah. And I want to show you whether this bag was able to withstand the handling of luggage during the airline travel or not. As you can see, there are a few scratches and there's a bit of change in the plastic on this corner, and I don't see any visible sign of a breakage. It looks all intact mostly, other than small scratches here and there. I'm going to open this bag right now and see if there's something which has damaged this from inside. Overall it looks okay. I bought this bag from Myntra in an offer. It costed me around 1790 rupees, which is a good deal. And if I'm able to use this bag for at least next 4 or 5 travels without any breakage, then I would say it's a money worth spending. Let's see how it goes. This is what my son was looking for, the game Scotland Yard. He thought that we forgot it back in India. It looks okay. The wheels are okay. No breakage. Nothing. Let's open this. So all right, so this looks nice. I would say it's a brand worth trying. Teakwood leathers. I have found this brand on Myntra, and I spoke about this brand with a couple of my friends who bought not the luggage but some other accessories, and they had a good review about it. So it has been able to handle the first travel very smoothly with no sign of breakages here and there. It's all intact, and looking forward to using this bag for next travel and see how long it lasts.